Hi everybody! It has been a while. How about the last thing we had shared? Have you tried? If someone asked me, when is the correct time to teach the children independence, such as clean up the toys, open and close the bottle, or have a table manner with being able to pour or transfer something, I would say the younger the better. Through an observation, Maria Montessori came to a statement that the children teach themselves. She believes that the child is like a flower that blooms or a plant to grow. If we give them the right environment, such as healthy soil, enough water, and the light of the sun, we will see the growing plant. This is similar like a child that we nurture. If we give the right environment and little of faith and patience, they will grow amazingly. By doing that, you will see the potential that the child has. For this, Maria would say that free the child potential and you will transform him into the world. Montessori method is a child-centered approach since it involves the children's natural interests and activities. A Montessori classroom places an emphasis on hands-on learning. In our school, we do agree with this philosophy about the right environment. What does it look like? We set the placement of each learning in order, based on the learning area. First, we have practical life section that stimulates the motor skill development. Second, we have sensorial section that focus on developing their sensory. We provide many tools from daily life routines to help the child being independent. Third, we have language area. We provide language program that the goal is to communicate ideas and express our wants and needs. We start from the story, conversation, and instruction. The language code builds from the smallest unit of the language to the way it combines to create meaning. The smallest unit is sound, and the next step is words. After that, phrases or sentences. We use hands-on materials, things that can be explored with their senses in learning sounds and making words. Fourth is math area. The cognitive program that we have is developing thinking, imagination, memory, reasoning, concentration, problem solving, and concept formation. And concept enable children to organize their thinking, previous experience, and perception. All sections are completed with hands-on materials that are specifically designed to build children's thinking concept from concrete to abstract, from right brain to left brain. Last is the cultural studies section. Children do not only learn about the world that they live in. We also provide social and emotional development program. It involves social solving skills, social dramatic play, functioning in a group, peer relations, friendship, perspective taking, and empathy. Developing emotionally means learning how to express and cope with the feeling in a way that is socially acceptable for the culture we live in. So when your vision to your children is being able to be independent, you have to give them the right environment to let them try everything. explore everything in holistic way. Then you will see them ready for the world.